Samira? Algebra. What are those things up there on the board?
Division and subtraction.
Those are operations. What operations have we been learning about?
Multiplication and adding and subtracting.
Which ones have we practiced the most?
Adding and subtracting.
Thank you. Addition and subtraction. Oh man, I just lost my train of thought. Oh, what is the answer to an addition problem?
A sum.
Nova.
A sum.
A sum. What about a subtraction problem?
A difference.
Difference. Those are going to be important, okay? Today we're going to look at word phrases. We're going to find out. What do you think it is?
Word phrases that describe addition, subtraction. Go.
It's words describing a mathematical sentence.
I just guessed it.
Okay? Good. All right. Okay.
Words to know.
A numerical expression. Look at this. You need to know it. What do you think it is?
Addition.
Well, in this case, it's addition. Could it be also subtraction?
Yeah.
Yes, 10.
The answer?
Is there an answer in this problem?
The answer is a sum. No.
Do you see an answer?
No.
No.
Yes.
Is there an equal sign?
No.
No. We just have two numbers
It's 13.
and an operation, right? Okay, that's a numerical expression.
Operation.
Addition or subtraction, multiplication or division. We just said it, sir. You need to listen. Open up those ears. Close your mouth, okay? Awesome. Okay, here. This is a word phrase.
John read your 8.
John read 8 books.
Word phrase.
Word phrase. Uses words, right?
I did this in British school.
Okay, good. Then you might fly right through it.
Questions. Think about this question during the lesson.
How can you translate words?
Okay, so how are we going to take that word phrase that we just saw and then put it into a numerical expression? What was the numerical expression?
The numerical expression is two numbers.
Adding numbers. Okay, or what else?
Subtracting.
Or subtracting. Okay? Does it have an answer?
No.
No, numerical expressions don't have answers. Excuse me, boys. I'm up here. Thank you. Good.
In a reading contest, Kara read 5 more books than John. What numerical expression shows how many books Kara read?
Okay,
Let's find out.
5 more. What are we going to do? What operation are we going to use? Gavin.
Addition.
Addition. How'd you know that?
Because it said how much more.
More. Good. What if it said how many less? Sienna.
Subtraction.
Subtraction. Good. I know. Having trouble with my tongue today. Okay. So, if John read 8 books and Kara read 5 more, what would our numerical expression look like? Tyler.
So there would be.
He read 8 and she read 5 more. Page.
8 plus 5.
8 plus 5. Is that a numerical expression?
Yes. Wait, didn't we just see 5 plus 8 and 8 They just told us.
What is a numerical expression?
What was it? Nova.
A numerical expression is a number sentence that has no sum or difference.
Good. Good job using those
A
terms,
numerical
Nova.
expression is made up of numbers and at least one operation symbol.
That means that.
Yes. Gavin, do you have a question? No. Okay. So according to this definition, can there be more than 2 numbers?
Yeah.
Can there be more than one operation?
Yes.
Good.
I got questions.
Okay, just
A
a second.
numerical expression is like a word phrase.
Yes.
I was gonna tell you what number selection is.
Okay, numerical expression. What is it?
Like a word place?
Word place? No. Which one used words? What was that called?
Word phrase.
What'd you say?
Word phrase?
Word phrase.
I think that's what
Good.
he tried to say.
Oh,
What's that mean?
a word phrase? It was when where the sentence was in word form. Okay, instead of using the numbers and the operation symbol.
Operation symbol. Yeah. Oh, mine is
Okay.
subtract.
What numbers and operation do you think you can use to find the number of books Kara read?
I know.
What operation are we going to use?
Third.
Lacey. Operation. What was the operation? Nova. Addition. Okay, what were the numbers?
5 plus 8.
8 and 5, or 5 plus 8. We can switch those around, right?
Which way you do it?
Shh. Can we switch those numbers around?
Yes. Subtracting? Yeah.
Are we subtracting?
Yeah.
5 more. What does more mean? Adding. Okay?
I know how many.
What property is it when we can switch those numbers around? Nova. Order, or what? Commutative. Same thing. Good.
You can use the addition operation and the numbers 5 and 8. How can you write this as a word phrase?
What would we say if we were to write it in words? Cam.
We'll say 5 in word form plus 8 in word form.
Okay.
Or the plus.
Anything else?
We could just say wait, no. We'll do the add in all but in word form.
What?
Word phrase?
So, collect your thoughts and come back, okay? Anybody else? How can we say it in a word phrase?
Do you go plus?
Samira.
You could in a word phrase.
In a word phrase. If we're going to take 5 plus 8, we're going to put it in a word phrase.
You could write the number and then put 5 next to it, and then plus 8, now the number 8, then put 8 next, and then the word form 8 next to it.
Okay, let's see what they said. What are they going to do?
You could write 5 more books than the 8 books John read.
13.
See? Yeah, it's what you and Cam both said. They just put some other terms in there. They used our example.
I know it was
Okay? Okay. Yes, Andrew.
I know method to solve that problem.
Are we solving this problem?
No.
No, we're just figuring out the numerical expression.
The answer.
I'm not looking for the answer, Andrew. Okay? You need to pay attention to this. It's important.
How is the numerical expression different from the word phrase?
How are they different?
There's no words there.
Jaylee, do you know how they're different?
Because one's bigger than the other.
One's bigger than the other? What's bigger?
What's the word? The books.
The books are? What about the expressions, the numerical expression and the word phrase? How are they different?
Wait, what did you just say?
Numerical expression and the word phrase, how are they different?
Oh, one has 5 books.
I'm sorry, Jaylee, what?
I'm still thinking.
Okay. Keegan, did you have an answer?
Just lost it.
You lost it? Nova.
One's in word form and one's in number form.
Thank you. A word phrase is in word form. Right? Makes sense? Word phrase, words. It's right in there. Good. And a numerical expression. Does a numerical expression have an answer? Does it have an equal sign?
Yeah. No.
Does it have an equal sign?
No.
No.
Yes. Wait, no.
No.
What's a word
The
phrase?
numerical expression uses numbers and symbols instead of words. The numerical expression is just a mathematical way of writing the problem.
See? It's a mathematical way. Oh, I think the light bulb just came on. Yes, Lola. Oh, yes. Come on and move over here. Why don't you sit by Tem and Nova? I know. I'm right-handed, so that kind of...
You're right-handed?
To show the number of books Kara read, answer the numerical expression.
So now, Andrew, you can answer the numerical expression. What would be the answer to this numerical expression be? Sienna.
13.
13. Who agrees?
Me.
Good.
Everyone should.
This expression shows that Kara read 13 books.
I know that.
So is this a numerical expression anymore?
No.
Why?
Because it
Has an equal sign and what?
and it has the answer. It has the sum.
The sum. Thank you for using the right verbiage.
In order to answer the question,
Verbiage.
you used a number sentence.
Okay, a number sentence. It finishes like we're writing a sentence, or writing a regular sentence in Miss Dickinson's room. What are we going to put at the end to show that it's a sentence? A period. What else could we put?
A capital letter.
At the end? Okay.
And a question.
Or a question mark. That is telling us that it ends.
Or
What is telling us that this number sentence is ending? Samira.
the sum.
The sum.
Ending with the sum.
Good.
I didn't get that answer.
What didn't you get? You told me it was 13 before.
No, you said 14 or something. Never mind.
Okay. Gavin.
My jewel phone.
Well, let's worry about that later. Okay. Let's worry about that later, okay?
How is a numerical expression different from a number sentence?
So it makes this numerical expression different from this number sentence. Hannah.
It doesn't have a numerical expression. Doesn't have an equal sign or sum.
Or sum. Could a numerical a number sentence have a difference?
Yeah.
What would be our operation then? Lacey.
Subtraction.
Good. You guys got
A
this.
numerical expression does
Awesome.
not have greater than, less than, or equal to, while a number sentence does. A numerical expression shows the numbers and operation you need to use to find the answer.
That
Now you know how to translate words into numerical expressions.
Yay!
Good. Does that make sense?
Yes.
Who has any questions? What was a number sentence? Gavin.
It's an addition or a subtraction problem that has a sum and an equal sign.
Good. Could it also be multiplication or division?
Yes.
Yes, because those are operations, right?
Oh, don't forget subtraction.
Today we're going to do addition and subtraction, okay? Okay, what is a numerical expression? Nova.
A numerical expression is kind of like a number sentence, but it just doesn't have an equal sign or the sum or the answer.
Okay, good. Great. I'm glad you guys understand this. This is great. Okay, number one. Let's look at number one. Does everybody know where we are?
Yes.
What number?
Number one.
Good.
Not period.
Number one, Andrew. Okay? 18 less than 25. What is that? What form is that in? Gavin.
Subtraction.
Nope, not the operation. What form is that in? Is it a numerical expression? Is it a word phrase? Is it a number
Word phrase.
sentence?
Word
What
phrase.
is it?
Word phrase. Word phrase.
Word phrase. Good. All right. So they want us to take these word phrases and they want us to change them into numerical expressions. What's a numerical expression? Victoria.
It's subtraction or addition or multiplication or division sentence that does not have a
operation are we going to be using? Shh. What operation, Tyler? 18 less than 25.
You got the hiccup.
I do. What operation are we going to use? Operation. What were operations?
Subtraction and addition.
Okay, so in this case, in this word phrase, what operation are we going to be using? If it's saying less.
Subtraction.
Subtraction. Who agrees with Tyler? Why not? You're not paying attention?
Less. I'm not because it's it's added.
18 less than 25. Who thinks it's adding? Who thinks it's subtraction?
I'm not sure.
Keegan? Can you please stop doing that? You're distracting everybody
I'm
around
not
you.
sure.
If you're tired, you need to get more sleep at home. Okay?
No, I spaced out. Okay.
Okay.
Which one I can't
Okay, so then you need to turn up your ears. Okay, so 18 less than 25. So what are we going to do? Sienna?
I was about to say that I agree with the subtraction because it says less.
Less. What if it said more?
Addition.
Addition. Good. Make sense now?
Yes.
Good. Keegan?
The answer is 7.
We don't want the answer.
Yeah.
They want us to write it in a numerical expression. Does a numerical expression have an answer? Good. All right, so what would the numerical expression for number 1 look like? Gavin?
18 minus 25.
18 minus 25?
25 minus 18.
Better. Good. Why'd you change your answer, Gavin?
The biggest. Because you can't subtract 25 from 18
Okay.
because 18's.
And they telling us that 18 less than 25. So we want to look at 25 first and do 18 less than that.
And 18.
Right?
Yeah, 18's not bigger than 25.
Okay, so who agrees that this is how this one would look like?
I do because I heard the one that did it.
Okay, then you need to pay attention. Really close. Okay? Okay, good. All right, let's try number 3. Everybody look at number 3.
Why is that?
And I'm going to give you all a chance to find an answer. They want the numerical expression. Look at it. Total. What are we going to do if we want a total of something? Think about it.
I got the answer.
Remember the numerical expression, not the number sentence, the numerical expression.
Would be. Oh yeah.
Paige, what are we going to do? What operation?
Do we add or subtract?
If we want the total, what are we going to do? Lacey?
We're going to put the numbers together.
That'd be the total, right? So what would we do? What operation are we going to use? Draw. What?
Add.
Add. Who agrees with draw? Good. The total means all together.
I know.
We want them all. So what is it going to look like, Jarrell?
32 minus.
That's okay. Say what you're going to say.
24 plus 16 plus 32. Does it matter?
Does what matter?
Does it matter which one you put it?
Doesn't matter what way, where the numbers go in an addition sentence.
No.
No. What property is that? Or commutative. Good. Yes, Lacey. Do we want the answer?
No.
No.
32.
Shh. Okay, Andrew, what's your question?
So it's like 24 plus 16 plus 32
a numerical expression have an equal sign, Andrew?
No.
No. What do we remember about a numerical expression? Do you remember?
I don't.
Can somebody tell Andrew what a numerical expression is? Sienna.
A numerical expression is a does not have an equal sign and does not have a sum.
A sum. In this case, it's a sum. But what in number 1 what would be the answer to a subtraction problem? What was it?
25 minus 18.
I don't want the actual answer. What is the answer of a subtraction problem called? Nova.
A difference.
A difference.
Dang.
Okay?
So the total is.
We don't want the total. We don't want the number. They wanted to know the numerical expression.
That's what I did. It's like
Good. So you got it. You have the numerical expression. Okay?
It said no.
I thought you were going to give me the answer. So that's my fault. I'm sorry. Yes, Tyler.
It's like you put the numbers in order.
Okay. Do they have to be in order? I guess I don't know what you're saying, Tyler. Okay. Collect your thoughts and ask the question after you have your thoughts collected, okay? Okay. All right. Let's do another one.
Let's do number 5. Number 5. Let's do
I'm going to try number 7. See if you guys can do it.
it's product for number 2.
Let's look up there.
I know what to do for number 2.
What is the answer? Which one has an answer of a product?
Multiplication.
Multiplication. Answer to a multiplication problem is called a product.
Where were you at? Division.
Okay?
I'm just brain lost it.
Okay.
Where?
Should we not do that one? Is that one too confusing? Okay.
Which one
All right.
are we looking at?
We're looking at that board back there. They were trying to find which
What
operation has an answer that's called a product.
Multiplication.
I don't see that.
You're not looking at it.
Okay,
Because everyone else
Paige and
knows.
Samira are a little confused.
Stop talking
What are you
to myself.
confused about, ladies?
Listen.
The product of how are you going to do the question? Yeah.
Okay, we're gonna do it. We're gonna do it together. Okay? So if we know that a product is the answer to a multiplication problem, Gavin and Cam
No.
Aiden, I need you to be looking up here, sir. Okay. The answer to a multiplication problem is a product. They want to know the product of 9 and 8.
What is a product?
What was the product? Nova.
The answer to a multiplication problem.
Okay, so if they want to know the product of 9 and 8, how do you think that numerical expression would look? Samira?
I think 9 times.
Who agrees with Samira?
The answer says do you agree with yourself?
I agree with you, Samira,
I do.
because they wanted to know the product. So what operation are we going to use?
What?
Lacey?
Multiplication.
Multiplication. Is multiplication like addition?
Yeah.
Does it follow the order property?
Yes.
Yes. Good. So 8, it could be 8 times 9 or 9 times 8.
No matter which way.
Right? Does that help, Paige? That we finished it now, does it make sense? Good. All right. Let's try number 8. Everybody look at number 8 and see if they can figure it out. What's the difference? Everybody needs to look at it. Try to figure it out.
I just got my
Yes, Gavin.
It says up there in 6 to 9, write a subtraction.
Yeah. That's what we're doing. Yeah, I want you to figure out what the numerical expression would be of number 8. No, I don't want the answer. The numerical expression. Thank you for reading the directions, though.
Is 48.
Shh. I don't want the answer. What's your question, Andrew?
What product is
We're not on the product anymore. What was the product?
What product? I don't see them.
Okay, get up,
Wait.
walk back there, and read the signs to yourself. Try to figure it out yourself.
Can I do it?
Okay, Samira, what is the difference mean? Subtraction. So difference is the what to subtraction?
The answer.
The answer. So what is that numerical expression going to look like?
56.
Where's the word product?
Right there.
What's the word?
Who
No.
agrees with Samira?
I agree.
That's good.
Because it's off the board.
Addition, subtraction,
I don't-
multiplication,
I don't.
division.
Okay, Cam, okay, you agree now?
Yeah.
Keegan, do you agree?
Product is
Okay,
the answer
Jaylee,
to
do you agree?
multiplication
Oh,
problem.
yeah.
What are you confused about?
I don't understand what you don't get.
Confused?
The answer is called a product.
Hold on, I
The
cannot
addition
hear
answer
Jaylee.
is
What,
called
hun?
a sum. The subtraction answer is called a difference.
These
The
numbers?
answer is called a
These numbers came from our word phrases,
nothing to get.
okay?
Go
You need
sit
to
down
follow
and listen
along.
because now you're missing the
Okay?
next question.
So everybody agreed?
Yeah, I know that. Excuse me.
Oh my God, we have lots of time. All right, go.
We're starting at 1:45.
this is
Oh,
Not
1:45.
too much time, but yeah, keep going.
All right, number 9. Everybody look at number 9. See if they can do that one. Put it in numerical expression. Shh. I'm not going to call on you if you're going to be, me, Miss Jeffers, me.
Not maybe. Oh, maybe. Piece of paper to do that. Me too.
Okay, Samira, what's your question?
The one we did on the one on number 3, are we doing the same thing? Was it too hard?
We need to, for 6, 7, 8, 9, we need to define the numerical expression, just like we did for number 1, 2, and 3.
Oh,
Okay?
Miss Jeffers.
Yes.
I need a piece of paper to do number 9.
We're not trying to find the answer. We just need to write the numerical expression.
What's that mean?
What's the numerical expression, Andrew?
It's
Okay.
part of
We're going to work on it.
it's part of the number sentence. I'll gonna do it.
Tyler, what'd you get?
24 plus 18 plus 15.
Who agrees?
Well, there can be 3 ways you could do it. 15 plus 24 plus 18, 24 plus 15 plus 18, and 18 plus 15 plus 24.
Okay, there's all kinds of ways we can write that. Will it all come to the same sum? Good.
Adding, and they're all the same numbers.
Good.
It just got darker.
Yeah, the sun must have went into the cloud. So, does this make sense?
Yes.
So if I gave you a word phrase, could you put it into a numerical expression?
Yes.
Could you then take that numerical expression and then write a number sentence?